Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the things set. We're blessed. You also know the story ain't complete if me not up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, the family, can finally get justice. Because this Jamaican killer has been sentenced to life in jail without the possibility of parole. You feel what I'm saying? Put in the comment section what you think about that, because we're talking about none other than Travis Blake. You know what I mean? Remember say him murder him girlfriend Carlene, 55-year-old, a woman, and her son, 36 years old. You know what I mean? And her niece or a family friend, I think it was a niece, someone from Jamaica visiting, 22 years old, Vanisha. Malcolm, wow, people. I'm not telling no lie. It was some gruesome thing, You know what I mean? They duct tape Vanisha, wrists and legs and all of these things. And, she was partially nude from the waist down. So, him do things to her. You see me, I say, the son, when he came home, they got him on camera. And immediately, homeboy, put a couple of screwdrivers and hammer to him and all of these stuff, you see me? Yeah, disturbing things, And when the woman come home, she was the last one to come home. He just immediately, tab her up and out the back, I don't know why he did these things, and there's no excuse can amount to what he did, you feel me? But I'm glad to say he was caught, because, he fled afterwards, you see me, I say. But, the Babylon boy them was able to grab him, you feel me? Yes, I'm just giving them a quick update while I go on from the ground. You see my people. Put in the comment section what you think about that. Yeah, unbelievable. And I think it's the next son who came home and smelt, the odor and found, one of the deceased. That's when they make the call to the cops. And that's when they discovered everything. You see my say. Yeah, whole heap of evidence and DNA and thing. You see my say. But I'm just giving them a quick update, you say. Bless.